Positano bites deep. It is a dream place that isn't quite real when you are there and becomes beckoningly real after you have gone. The words of John Steinbeck, and while they've been quoted many times before, there's a reason for that. This place does feel like a dream. Welcome to Positano, the vertical village of the Amalfi Coast, where the buildings seem to tumble into the sea and every view looks like it belongs on a postcard. But beyond the picture-perfect scenes and crowded beachfront lies another side of the town. One of quiet alleys, handcrafted pastries, and a way of life still rooted in the land. This is the story of Positano. Often overlooked by visitors, this weathered stone bell tower is a real treasure. A quiet reminder of Positano's past as a fortified maritime village, where goods were traded across the Mediterranean and pirates were kept at bay with watchtowers. It stands right beside the church of Santa Maria Assunta, whose colourful tiled dome is one of the first things you'll notice as you arrive. We came in by ferry, and watching the town slowly unfold from the water was the perfect introduction to Positano. But to really discover Positano, you have to go up. The higher you climb, the fewer tourists you'll see, and the more the town reveals its soul. It's really narrow. And if you do make the climb, your reward is sweet, quite literally. Tucked away in the upper part of town is a family-run bakery where the cakes are made with love and local ingredients. We highly recommend visiting. But not everything in Positano is polished and pretty. Real rural life carries on, and old ways endure. Donkeys still carry goods up narrow roads and steep staircases where cars can't go. The people here are still deeply connected to the land, sea, and nature in a way that many places have lost, and it reminded me of the path of the lemons, where farming isn't just a job, it's a way of life. While we love escaping the crowds, the lower part of Positano is bustling with energy. Narrow streets are lined with shops, cafes and restaurants, all leading down to the vibrant beach below.
The views along this stretch of coast are absolutely incredible, but if you can, I would recommend climbing all the narrow steps to the top for this wonderful vantage point.
We visited Positano for just a day, and as the town faded back into the sea, I realised that Steinbeck was right. Its cascading buildings, vibrant streets, and magnetic beauty will stay with you long after you've left. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more adventures around the Amalfi Coast and beyond. And if you'd like to know when the next episode goes live, turn on the bell notification button. Until next time, happy exploring!